Hi guys, I'm gonna be unboxing a Corvette ZR1. It's a remote control car. And it's a battery operated car and it does not include any batteries. It comes with a nice packaging and it's pretty easy to unbox. And you can buy it from any store or online. Okay, now let's test drive it. So the car drives really good and it actually feels like you're driving a real car. And this car does not have a really loud noise. It's kind of like a silent car. And it's pretty easy to drive it. I bought the car for $60 and it's pretty worth it. And that's it guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel.